One of the people you should not give sensitive position to in whatever you are doing are the people who will easily tell you, I am busy. You have given them a job, and whilst they're supposed to fulfill, they're going to tell you, I was busy, that is why I couldn't do it. You know you would be busy. Why did you accept the task and the position? Have you seen this? Anybody who keeps giving excuses is lazy, and the best definition for laziness is unwillingness. When someone is unwilling, they're going to tell you, I want to do it, but because of they are not even sure. Be stronger than what we see outside. It is better to look weak outside but very strong on the inside. That part of you brings out surprises. There are people who are loud but very weak inside, and there are people who are calm but very strong inside. If you want to know how tough you are, consider the number of challenges you have survived, you have succeeded. I always want the most difficult so that nothing will be impossible. Because in this life, if you don't mold yourself to be tougher, you cannot become anything good. Even what belongs to you will be taken away from you. And it's not about fighting, it's about knowing how to endure the fight. Not everybody who fights to win. There are many who are fighting and who have fought and lost, all of them, because they lack endurance. If you have what it takes to endure a fight, you are an automatic winner. It doesn't matter how strong your opponent is. Muscular and strength, proper strength, is with time and not the load. Endure. Anybody who wants to take you out of humility is another enemy, because it is the humble who get raised. So if they are asking you, why do you cheap yourself? It is not you cheaping yourself. You understand why you respect all people. He said you respect all of them, but they don't respect you. You see, it is not how the people treat you that blesses you. It is how you treat people that blesses you.